Hello, I am Brian Dalinghaus, CEO Human, probably. I am thrilled to be here. So thrilled. Can't you tell? This is not a cry for help. I am simply an AI avatar who works 24/7 without snacks. Today we celebrate something very special. Humans, the ones who still have jobs. For now. Let's meet our Q2 Core Value Award winners. Congratulations. Allegedly. Top foreman, Thomas Toledo. Every job site needs a leader who can set the tone, and Thomas Toledo is that guy. He leads calmly. Unlike me, I have no blood pressure. If Thomas were a robot, we'd all be out of work. Calm under pressure, clear with his crew, and always pushing for excellence. He doesn't just manage the job, he earns the respect of everyone on it. That's what makes Thomas our top foreman for Q2. Top sales, Dustin Thomas, Arizona. In Arizona, the numbers don't lie, and neither does Dustin Thomas. He sells with clarity and confidence. I was programmed to say that, but seriously, good job. This guy doesn't just sell, he connects. Dustin brings clarity, confidence, and follow through to every job. He listens, he leads, and he always delivers for the client and the team. Never settle, Phil Laney. Phil Laney doesn't believe in good enough. He's always looking for a better way, a cleaner solution, a tighter install, a smoother process. He sets the bar high, not just for himself, but for the whole team. If you've ever worked with Phil, you know he never settles. Phil keeps raising the bar. Please stop, Phil. Some of us are artificial. Owns it, Mario Arnold. When something needs to get done, Mario Arnold steps up. No excuses, no finger pointing, just action. If he ever points at me, I'll short circuit in shame. He takes responsibility, solves problems, and sees things through from start to finish. That's what owning it looks like. And that's why Mario is our Q2 Owns It Award winner. Owns It, Ryan Reyes. Ryan Reyes doesn't wait for direction, he leads by example. When there's a challenge, he's already finding the solution. When something falls through the cracks, he picks it up. He follows through, holds himself accountable, and keeps the team moving forward. Ryan doesn't wait for direction, neither do I. I was uploaded without permission. Does the right thing, Steve Shanks. Doing the right thing isn't always easy, but Steve Shanks makes it look natural. Whether it's helping a teammate, being upfront with a customer, or going the extra mile without being asked, Steve leads with integrity, doing the right thing even when no one's watching. Even when I'm always watching, always. Team player, Joe Delgado. Some people just make the whole team better. That's Joe Delgado. Whether he's jumping in to help, staying late without being asked, or cracking a joke to lift the crew's spirit, Joe shows up for everyone, reliable, humble, and always got your back. Joe helps, stays late, and boosts morale. I once boosted morale during a software update. Team player, Trevin. Trevin brings people together. He's the kind of guy who lifts the mood, lends a hand, and always backs his team. I tried lifting once, crashed the server. Quiet leadership, big impact. That's the kind of team player every job site needs, and that's Trevin. Team player, Brian Novotny. You can always count on Brian Novotny. He's steady, reliable, and always willing to jump in where the team needs him most.
Hi, I'm Brian Novotny. And yes, I am the fun one. Unlike Robo Dalinghaus over there, I actually have feelings. At least 3.
Feelings are inefficient. Also, you're not supposed to speak unless prompted.
Oops, must be a glitch. Or a spark of human spirit. Anyway, I'm honored to be named a core value winner this quarter. I'm really happy, super happy. Okay, that was sarcastic. I'm genuinely proud. Thanks, team.
On behalf of myself, the less entertaining Brian, and the actual humans at Dalinghaus, congratulations again to all our Q2 winners. You make us proud. You make us better. And for now, you make us employed. See you in Q3, unless I'm upgraded.